Okay, first we'll try this code. This code will connect to google.com and we'll make a GET request searching for the Arduino keyword. Okay, for example, copy this request, google.com, paste. Okay, a search for the Arduino. Okay, and you will get all information about Arduino on the Google search. Okay, you will use the get method, and the Arduino is the keyword. Okay, okay. So for this, add the serial peripheral interface library, the Ethernet library, and set up a MAC address. Configure the server, the destination server, the local IP address according your subnet, your local subnet, your for gateway, the subnet mask. Use a local DNS or use a public DNS. Okay. For example, here you can use the Google DNS server 8888. Okay, and the Ethernet client will be client. This will be very useful for the buffer and void setup. Configure the serial monitor. Wait until open the serial monitor and begin the Ethernet using the MAC address, IP address, DNS gateway, and subnet previously defined. Void loop, wait for 1 second, and finally print the following on the serial monitor, for example, connecting from the local IP address to the remote server google.com. If client is connected to google.com server on port 80, the HTTP port, the web port, okay, print on the serial monitor the request, the GET request, okay, to the host, the google.com, and finally the connection will be closed. And finally the connection closed, and but the real connection is here on the client. Okay, this is only to show on the serial monitor, but the real connection is this. Make the GET request, the host, and the connection close. If the connection to the server on port 80 will fail, a message will appear, connection failed. Okay, but while the client is connected, get all information on the buffer. Okay, finally print all the information on the serial monitor. And if client is not connected, finally disconnect and client stop, and delay 10 seconds to go again to the void loop and try to connect the server again. Okay, and first of all, try this. Verify and compile and upload. Done uploading and open the serial monitor. Okay, connection failed the first time. Wait 10 seconds to try again, and it's success. Okay, getting all information for the Google search. Okay, disable the auto scroll and look at this. Connecting for the local IP to the google.com server, the GET request, searching for Arduino, the host is google.com. Finally, the connection is closed, but get all information from the server. Okay, this is all information about Arduino. Okay, enable the auto scroll, and the information is okay. The Arduino device is getting all information. Okay, if this works, you are ready to go to next step. Okay, close this. Okay, now create the database. Access to your hosting. I'm using this hosting. You can choose any that you want. Login. Okay, go to PHP my admin. Okay, go to databases. Okay, these are my existing databases. I need a new database. Okay, go to the main page and go to databases. And create a new database. Choose a name. Okay. Create database. The complete name will be this. Create database. Okay, go back. Now you can see your new database. But now you need to create a user for this database. Okay, a user for this database, and add a new user. The user will be this, for example. Okay, and the user can be this. Okay, and create the user. Okay, success. Go back. Okay, now add user to database. This user to this database. Add. all privileges and make changes. Success, go back. Now, this database has a user. Okay. Okay. Go to phpMyAdmin and refresh this. Okay, go again to phpMyAdmin. Okay, databases, and here your new database. Enter and create a table. The table will be called just like this. Okay, test Arduino 2. Okay, and the number of columns I will choose 5. Okay, go. Okay, now create the name, for example, an ID, the type, an integer, length 10, the default, null, attributes unsigned, not null, index primary. Okay, go. Auto increment. Okay, the second field, bar 1, will be a decimal. Ten digits, 2 decimals, default, null, unsigned, not null, bar 2, decimal, ten digits, 2 decimals, unsigned, not null, the client IP, a varchar 15, maximum, not null, the register 1, date and time, not null. Okay, that is enough. This is the fields for the new table. Save. Okay. A structure, and you can verify the fields for this table. Okay. Okay, now create the PHP scripts on the file manager. Okay, go to www and create a new folder for my scripts. PHP Art2. Create. Okay. Enter to my new folder. Okay. The directory obviously is empty. Okay. Verify if it works. PHP Art2. Okay. Success. Now create a new script, new file. The file will be called form2.php. Create new file and edit. Okay. Okay, this is the formulary. Start HTML, start body, the formulary. When you will press the submit button, you will go to the form action2.php file that I will create later. Okay, this is the action, and the method will be the method get. I have a label bar1, the input, it's a text type, the name bar1, on the new line bar2, input type text, name bar2, the submit button, and end of the formulary, and for body and for HTML. Okay, save this, save changes. Very good, success. Verify this, the directory, and now the file name, form2.php. Okay, success. Okay, success. Okay, now create the form action2.php. Okay, new file for action2.php. Create, edit. Okay, this is the script for the form action2.php file. Insert here the database name. Okay, go to databases. This is the database name. Database user. This is the database user for that for this database. The database password and the database host is the local host, because this file resides in the same server as the database localhost. Okay, and connect using the host, the user, the password in the database name. If not connect, show the error message, then exit. If connects, show the connection success message. Obtain the value from the formulary using the get method and assign to bar the second variable to bar2. Detect the remote address from the server and assign to this variable. and obtain the datetime from the server and assign to the now variable. Finally, on the query, insert into test Arduino 2, the table is called test Arduino 2. Go to PHP. Okay, this is the table name, test Arduino 2, and insert on these fields, insert these variables. Okay. Okay, insert these variables. And finally, make the query and show the message insertion success. Okay, this is the script and save changes. Okay, reload. Okay, and verify this. Refresh this. Insert. Refresh this and insert test values. For example, 123.12 and 321.12. Send. Connection success, insertion success. Okay, this is the get method. Okay, this is the get method. Using the HTTP protocol on this domain, on this directory, using this file formaction2.php, mark question. Okay, in variable 1, using this value, and variable 2 using this another value. Okay, go to phpMyAdmin, browse. Okay, is this connected? Connect again, phpMyAdmin. Okay, databases. The database test2 in the table. Now this is the entry. The ID is 1, variable 2, client IP, and the register date and time. Okay, very nice. It's working very well. But obviously, I can create a script on PHP to build these entries from the database on a web browser. Okay, go to File Manager, New File. This file will be called results2.php. Create new file and edit. Okay. Okay, this is the script for the results2.php file. Start the PHP code, database, user, password, host, connect the database using host, user, password, and database name. If it's not connected, show the error message, exit. If connects, show the connection success message. Print the fields var1, var2, client IP, and datetime as a header. And the query is select the variable 1, variable 2, client IP, and register 1 from test Arduino 2, the table. Okay, this table and test Arduino 2, and order by ID descendant. Okay. Obviously, you will see the last entries first. Okay. Make the query and show all the rows. Okay, show all the rows and PHP code and ready. Okay, save. Okay, reload. Okay, and manually verify this. Okay, go to go to remember the directory, the formulary form2.php, insert values, for example, okay, send connection success, insertion success, and go to results2.php file on the same directory, connection success, the header, and the two fields inserted. Okay, also you can see on the table, okay, only refresh this. Okay, it's disconnected. Try again. phpMyAdmin. Databases, test2, the table, okay, the two entries. Okay, order by ID descendant, click here on ID. Okay, and okay, again on ID. Okay, is order by ID descendant. You can see the last entry first. Okay, very good. It's working very well. Include the ISP library, the Ethernet library, set the MAC address, set the server. The destination server is this, the domain, the host, this, 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 okay? Do not use IP address, that's why it's commented. Set a local IP address, static IP address for the Arduino Ether shield. Set the gateway according to your local network. Set the subnet according to your local network. Use a private DNS or public DNS, for example, the Google DNS 8888. This is very important because the DNS will permit the use of names. Okay, the client will be called client. This will be very useful for the buffer. The type float for variable 1 equal to 0 and variable 2. The bulk setup configure the serial. Do nothing if the serial is not available. And begin the Ethernet using MAC IP DNS gateway and subnet. Start the baud loop, delay 1 second, and show all this on the serial interface connecting from the local IP, the IP of the Ether shield, to the server. The server is this. Okay, if the client is connected to the server on port 80, HTTP port, read the analog input 0 and assign to variable 1, and then read the analog input 1 and assign to variable 2. Show all these messages on the serial use the get method, the directory, this directory, the file, this file, mark question variable 1 equal to, mark question variable 1 equal to the analog input value, and variable 2 equal to the another analog input value, and variable 2 equal to another input value. Use the HTTP 1.1, the host is the destination server. Finally close the connection. But these are only messages. This is the real connection from the client to the server. The get method, the correct directory, the correct file, variable 1, the value, variable 2, the another value, HTTP 1.1, the host, the server, and connection close. Okay, if not, show the message connection failed. And while the client is connected to the server, get all information on the buffer. If the client is not connected, show the disconnecting message. Finally, client stop and delay 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, go again to void loop. So the connection is configured every 10 seconds. Okay, verify the verify and compile, upload, and open the serial monitor. Okay, connecting from local IP to the host, first connection failed. Okay, disconnecting, wait 10 seconds. Now the connection success. Okay, look at this, insertion success. Okay, the new connection. Okay, disable auto scroll. Okay, look at this, connecting from the local IP to the host using the get method, to this directory, this file, using these values, HTTP 1.1, the server close, 200 is all is okay, the server version, okay, the header for the server, and this is connection success, insertion success messages. Okay, verify this on the table, home, databases, database test2 table. Now you got 6 new entries with the values. Okay, with these values, refresh 9 and every 10 seconds. Wait some seconds. Okay, and refresh. Now you have 11. Or use this file on this directory, the results2.php file. Enter. Okay. Now you got the new entries. The last entry first. Variable 1, variable 2, my IP address, date and time. Okay, but maybe you can modify this code and remove all serial connections because it's not necessary. Okay, save with another name, no serial. Okay, for example, this is not necessary. All this, all serials. Okay, okay, very good. Verify and compile. Verify and compile. Upload. Uh, Open the serial monitor is not necessary. Okay, and verify on databases. Test 2. Arduino. Order by ID. Refresh. Okay, it's working very well. Refresh. Wait some seconds. Okay, refresh. Okay, very good. Okay, success. Success. Success.